Imagine a world without birds. What can possibly make that happen? Think about it. Deforestation? Pollution? Just a couple of ideas. Hi, I'm Eva. I'm 7 years old, and I'm here to talk about how birds are losing their habitat and how we can help them. Lots of birds have lost their habitat because of pollution and deforestation. This was a small forest, but people cut down the forest and there are no trees left. This is a forest, but many trees got cut down. This is another forest, but most of the trees got cut down. And this chart shows you the amount of CO2 emission from deforestation for food production. Luxembourg and Brazil are at the top of the list. These are some things that can cause pollution. For example, cars, trucks, buses, sanctuaries. Air pollution hurts the planet with increasingly deadly effects on all life. These grassland birds had major decline since 1970. 700 million grassland birds lost since 1970. There are 3 and 4 eastern meadowlarks gone. The world has 4.06 billion remaining hectares of forest, according to the recently released key findings of the Global Forest Resources Assessment 2020. Of this area, only about 1.11 billion hectares are primary forests or native forests that remain largely undisturbed by humans. This picture tells us what caused deforestation in the Amazon rainforest. Shallow ranching is 80%, small-scale agriculture is 5%, commercial agriculture is 10%, logging is 3%, and other is 2%. What can we do to change the situation and protect the birds' habitat? Plant more trees and write on both sides of paper and try to reduce pollution and not use too much paper. Remember, birds lose their habitats because of us, so let's stop destroying the home we share with birds. Long live the birds!